The purpose of this video is for you that is watching this video to be very, very careful of the olive oil you buy. All these olive oil wey they sell for Nigeria, most especially, whether you buy them from all those, they are some of their churches, or you even buy them for streets, is not olive oil. No, normal olive oil is yellow, but if you touch am, it dey liquid, like the way it dey creamy. Olive oil might be yellow in color. That is, if it don stay tey, or different type of olive oil shall depend on the olive. If na those olive wey dey be say na green, very green, na im produce the oil dey be green. You will see olive oil na pure green, green. You will see the oil pure green. And if they just newly produce am, e dey get the way they dey for mouth. E dey be like say e dey even dey want pepper, real olive oil. But those other ones, there are other ones wey be say e dey yellow in color, na still olive oil, na because of the fruit. Depend on how the fruit dey. Na im dey make am still dey yellow. This is what I'm showing you here now. We get different types of olive oil. You see am? All these ones now na olive oils. You see this one now is green because the fruit we produce am na green. Why this other yellow one? Because the fruit, you see the fruit for there, na yellow. Now the reason why some olive oil go yellow, some olive oil go be green. But that is not the issue here. How to identify real olive oil? Now when you carry am for your hand, it hardly fall. It hardly just go rampant from your hand. But the olive oil wey they sell for Nigeria, wey those people dey sell for church, it just dey yellow in color. Like say na yellow, na color that they produce am. Then if you can't touch am, it can't be like water. And so it could just dey fall from your hand. They say na olive oil. Those olive oil, if they put am for your foil, na so everywhere, you just dey fall like say na groundnut oil they pour on you. So now the reason why we can't talk, and they just catch this woman now, wey they see for the screen. So they produce olive oil. They produce olive oil where you no get olive tree. Who does that? Now only Nigeria that rubbish dey happen. When you hear olive, na olive tree na they come from. Olive na the olive fruit na you go take produce the oil. When you hear palm oil, it's supposed to come from palm tree. The palm fruit na you take produce the oil. But for Nigeria, olive oil na something wey be say if you just pour anything for inside those bottle, fill am, they sell. This thing that I'm telling you now, I didn't just find out or realize it today. This thing don't dey for my mind for a very long time. When I never know how olive oil they produce olive oil, those ones they sell for Nigeria, I just feel say na olive oil. So to some of us, if we don't use and anoint ourselves, we go see drink, and I don't want they pay me pass. Even as fake as those olive oil, pastors go see consider you to drink the oil. They'll say drink it for some of their prayer. Drink the olive oil. Some they give their children. Now God they save us for this life. Whereas those things where they give you is not the original olive oil. When I never know how olive oil they produce them, I feel say na olive oil. Until I can't get in contact with olive oil, I can't even test olive oil where they produce today. I pluck olive, see how olive they feel them as olive. They where therefore they produce them as the oil they come out. I see them, I test them, I know say yes. There is difference between this olive oil and those one where they sell for us for Nigeria, where they sell for church. And by right now, those one they sell for church for anointing, I supposed to be original. Because why? Now something of prayer, now something where they use supposed to be original, but it's not original. So why am I doing this? I'm just telling you to be very, very careful. There are many olive oil, fake olive oil everywhere. As you they go church, they buy from gate of church, they buy inside church. Most of those olive oil, where na pastors they produce, na fake, because it's not coming direct from the olive tree, and they're not even the olive they get connection, but it has no connection with olive. That's the reason why I say make I can't tell now today. When are they very careful? This woman now they just cash her wherein they produce olive oil for roadside. I don't know how they just cash her. Make I show now may not be like say. You are buying her? May not be like say. Zip it. So this woman now they cash her when they say produce fake anointing oil.
Refilling hydroxide oil. Doing so Goya, but bottle selling as anointing oil. If you touch the oil, only God knows what she melted in there. The bottle is so hot. So, and she said they are not the only one, that there are many. So I want her to say something now. Madma, anyway, let's read.
Sure, you don't see am. And so many of them take they do refill. Even for church and pastors, they do the business of this refill. They will tell you say na anointing oil. Anointing oil supposed be. I don't know how they take it. Mona, they very careful, Shana. Wetin carry me come be this. Mona just dey careful.